Hello and welcome everybody. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Today I want to show you Belarusskiy Vokzal, the train station of Belarusky. The constructions in Russia, usually for the train stations, is just awesome and wonderful. Look at this. Everything carefully designed and constructed. Look at the icons there. And there also. Looks very cool. Like gold. All this gold. So look at these icons as well. You must look carefully to recognize that there is something here you have to see. It's repeated, but all in all, you can never believe that this is a train station. This is the interior design. What about the exterior? Let's get out and see. Outside the station, there is a lot of wonderful buildings, and the interior, the entrance here looks great. And there is Burger King here. Oh, it's not, you cannot see it from here. We have to move left or right. Keep in mind that such a cold and snowy country like Russia or like Moscow, they need something like umbrella like this one to keep the people protected when they are staying here and waiting, and when the taxi receives the passengers, they need somewhere to stay, to stand up here for waiting with this umbrella. So let's see this design and construction that seems to be from the Soviet Union and reconstructed or painted multiple times. You can notice it quickly if you are an architect. The architecture in the area is very special, really. For each train station in Moscow, you can find a different taste. Usually, such maps, they do it in Russian language, but before or prior the World Cup that organized in Russia, they started to use the English language as well and translated everything, and this is wonderful. This railway terminal map, and I don't know, here we are or here we are. Just a joke. Okay, let's continue to the metro station, which is wonderful design as well. And look at this at the right hand side. Now I will show you something. Another wonderful clock there. Let's go more closer. You know, to investigate and know who's the designer of this wonderful construction, you will suffer maybe. Or maybe you can Google it. But it's not written clearly here. But in the metro, I think it's written. So let's see closer this nice clock. Big watch. Yeah. Belarusskiy Vokzal. That's it. It's like a castle from the From the what? From the kings and queen era. Ekaterina, Vladimir, Ivan. I know this is from the time of Stalin, but looks like old era. The age of empires. So let's go forward, and we are heading to the metro station. Hold on. Here we can see the renovation works on the right hand side, but the station itself looks great and constructed as written in year 51. 1951, constructed within 2 years, from 49 to 51. Станция метро Беларусская. I think it's clear here. Nothing in English for sure. There are some things need to be renovated, but some things looks like original, like constructed yesterday, like this. Look at this, like wood. Here's the wonderful part, the entrance. And here is what I'm searching for. Who created it? The constructors. It's actually opened on 30 of January 1952.